So I'll be showing you how to remove the portrait mode effect from photos on your iPhone. So this is a good example of a portrait mode photo. You can see the background is blurry. Now, if you want to remove that blur in the background and have a normal non-portrait mode photo, here's what to do. Now, before I start, this is an iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same exact instructions for any previous iPhone that has portrait mode and runs at least iOS 16. So what you need to do is go to your gallery and find that portrait mode photo, and then tap on edit at the top there. And then you should see the editor open. And when you see this yellow portrait, it basically means that is in portrait mode. To turn it off, simply tap on that. Now the yellow has disappeared and you can see the background of that photo is more visible. To turn it back on, that's what you do. It's going to blur the background like that. Okay. And that's basically how to remove the portrait mode like that. And then if you want to save the changes, tap on done at the bottom right side, and that's the portrait mode has now been removed. The background blur has now been removed and it's just a normal iPhone photo. That's basically how to remove portrait mode from portrait photos on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.